Good day, I'm Adrian Atkinson and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, February 14, 2023. Government will be implementing a multi-billion-dollar special capital expenditure program in the 2023-2024 fiscal year as it looks to consolidate Jamaica's recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic and reignite its plan for a decade of growth. Governor General Sir Patrick Allen made the announcement this morning as he delivered a throne speech outlining government's priorities for the new fiscal year that begins April 1. The Special Capital Expenditure Program will see the development of major corridors in the corporate area.
In building our stronger Jamaica, transformative infrastructure that provides lasting social and economic value is being given priority.
Among the island-wide major road projects slated for the new fiscal year is the Maypen to Williamsfield portion of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, which is scheduled to be completed in August. Work on the Harbourview to Port Antonio Highway is also progressing, as are the Montego Bay Perimeter Road and the upgrade and expansion of the North Coast Highway. In 2023-2024, the government will also continue to advance a number of flagship projects, including the new Parliament Building, the Government Campus, the Portmore Resilience Park and the Kingston Harbour Walk. As part of the mission to consolidate Jamaica's recovery and reignite the decade of growth, government is also continuing measures to improve fiscal management of the economy. During 2023-2024, the Fiscal Commissioner will be appointed and the Independent Fiscal Commission will be operationalized as the guardian of Jamaica's fiscal rules.
It is also the intention to strengthen the regulations of the financial sector by unifying prudential supervision and regulation under the Bank of Jamaica, while pursuing the establishment of a separate regulator for market conduct and consumer protection.
The regulations for the nomination, selection and appointment to boards of public bodies will also come into effect in the new fiscal year to provide a transparent mechanism for persons to serve on boards of public bodies. Also coming out of this morning's throne speech, the National Housing Trust will be introducing a new financing model in the next fiscal year to significantly increase the supply of mortgages in the country. The financing model, which will entail partner arrangements with regulated mortgage lending institutions, is also designed to release funds to focus on the development of affordable housing.
Housing is key to inclusive growth and steady progress. And we are making steady progress towards the government's stated target of 70,000 new housing solutions by the end of 2025-26.
At the same time, the Governor General says the Greater Bernard Lodge development, which is slated for 15,000 housing solutions, has seen strong interest from developers and continues its build-out. In other news, a much-needed $14 million water shop has been opened in the community of Mile Gully in Manchester. Minister of Local Government and Rural Development Desmond McKenzie says it's the latest example of the administration's commitment to improving water supply systems across the country.
Not just by means of putting in water shops, but to make communities accessible to the service provided by the National Water Commission.
The Mile Gully Water Shop will provide approximately 16,000 gallons of water to residents. Minister McKenzie says the Rural Water Supply Limited is also undertaking a $12 million renovation project to restore the water facility in the community. In the meantime, he has warned the residents of Mile Gully not to allow the water shop to be used for commercial purposes.
Apart from people using the free water or the social water that we provide, they use it to establish car wash, they use it for farming, and the one that is more disgusting than anything else is that they drive up their vans and they load drums of water and go and sell it to people. This is not something that we're going to tolerate.
The minister also toured another water shop being constructed in Somerset, Manchester, and revealed that 4 additional water shops have been budgeted for Manchester in the upcoming financial year. And finally, 300 unattached youth are being targeted for enrollment in the Universal Service Fund, USF's Technology Advancement Program TAP. The third installment is set to launch sometime in March. The aim is to equip the youngsters between the ages of 18 and 29 with professional skill sets in coding, programming, software and web development. Interested persons may apply online at usf.gov.jm. The 12-month ICT training and apprenticeship program is also opened to persons with disabilities. Approximately 1,600 participants have so far been trained through partnership with the Amber Academy. They have also received employment. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Adrian Atkinson. Thanks for watching.